The Autel MaxISYS MS906TS introduces a new step in diagnostic evolution. This 8-inch Android-based touchscreen scan tablet comes with a compact-sized Bluetooth Maxi VCI V100 to provide completely wireless diagnostics and comprehensive TPMS service. Why buy a second TPMS tool when this all-in-one scan tablet features an embedded antenna to trigger, relearn, and program TPMS sensors or quickly scan and test all vehicle systems? Featuring all the expected performance from a high-end scan tablet, the MS906TS utilizes the Android 4.4 operating system and Wi-Fi access for easier software updates. The 1.3 GHz and 1.7 GHz hexacore processor and 32 GB solid-state drive provide quick and responsive diagnostics. The 10,000 mAh lithium polymer rechargeable battery ensures performance up to 14 hours of continuous use on a single charge. The larger 8-megapixel camera provides easier vehicle or parts image documenting. The wireless MS906TS advanced diagnostic functions surpass its corded sibling, the MS906. The MS906TS features all the same vehicle coverage, auto-VIN and auto-scan functions, while introducing new diagnostic features, including coding available for BMW, Ford, VW, Audi, Nissan, Lexus, etc. Bi-directionally test transmission components and reset specific calibrations. Perform comprehensive vehicle analysis, actuation tests and adaptations with ECU information. All the MaxISYS tools include the MaxISYS application suite, additional software designed to provide technicians with superior tool performance and support. With its embedded antenna, the MS906TS is an industry first to combine advanced diagnostics with complete TPMS servicing. When the telltale vehicle malfunction light just won't go away, Autel's TPMS diagnostic status screen instantly displays trouble code details and pinpoints where the fault lies within the system, and then prompts the technician to replace or relearn sensors or perform in-depth module testing to help quickly identify the fix. From activation to programming replacement sensors and executing OBD2 assisted and full OBD2 relearns, the MS906TS is the only scan tool a busy technician needs. The MS906TS makes sensor replacement easy, as Autel's programmable universal MX sensors can replace OE-level TPMS sensors. The tool can quickly program a new MX sensor for the serviced vehicle with 4 methods: copy by activation, copy by OBD, copy by input, and auto-create. Cloning sensor IDs to new sensors is a valuable TPMS programming asset. To save project time, the technician does not need to relearn new sensor IDs to the TPMS module. Simply stated, the MS906TS does it all: diagnostics, coding, services, and complete TPMS. It is the latest example of Autel's commitment to providing technicians with affordable tools that enable them to do their jobs smarter and faster. If you have any questions about your tool features or how to register to perform software updates, please visit our websites, contact our technical support. Thank you for being a valued Autel customer.